Canceling your Tesco Mobile SIM-only contract depends on whether you're within the initial contract term or not. If you're out of contract after the initial 12 or 24 months, cancellation is straightforward and free. Simply contact Tesco Mobile via your online account, phone, or in-store to give your 30-day notice. Ensure any outstanding balances are settled. If you're still within your contract, you'll likely incur an early termination fee. For contracts signed after January 2024, these fees are capped at £10 per remaining month, up to a maximum of £200 as per Ofcom regulations. The fee decreases as months pass. As of April 2025, Tesco Mobile offers flexible exit options, allowing you to downgrade to a cheaper plan instead of full cancellation, potentially reducing the ETF. Recent updates include a streamlined online cancellation process via the customer portal. Always confirm the cancellation fee before proceeding. Remember to document all communications with Tesco Mobile for your records. Keeping your phone number when canceling is easy using the PAC or porting authorization code process. First, request a PAC from Tesco Mobile through their app, website, or by calling customer service. Then, provide this PAC code to your new mobile provider. The entire porting process is free and usually completes within 1 to 2 working days. Importantly, your Tesco Mobile SIM card must remain active during this time to ensure a smooth transfer. Regarding exit fees, it's crucial to understand your consumer rights. Under UK law, specifically the Consumer Rights Act 2015 and the Ofcom Code, mobile providers must charge reasonable fees that don't exploit customers. If you're canceling due to poor service, such as repeated network outages, you may be able to dispute the exit fee. A notable 2024 case study involved a Tesco Mobile customer who successfully had their £120 exit fee waived after documenting service issues and escalating the matter to Ofcom. Martin Lewis from Money Saving Expert advises always documenting any problems as evidence. If you believe the fee is unfair, you can escalate the dispute to Ofcom's Alternative Dispute Resolution Scheme. Finally, remember to check if you're eligible for Tesco Mobile's Exit Fee Amnesty Pilot Program, which offers waivers for low-income customers.